Hi everyone, this is your Jee Sifu from Chi Nature and Teenage Dragon Taoism channel. Today I want to talk about the incense sticks in your pot. So if you're in our lineage and you have an altar built, pay attention. This red pot, the handle, we call the incense bones, or you can call the stems, or which it's okay too, but we usually call this the hung gai. Gai is like continuation. Hung is the incense, right? So you burn from the top and all the way down, and then it will stop right here and not burn, right? So basically what you're doing every day when you burn incense is you're talking to your god, and the time begin while it burned all the way down here. The time stops here. The thing that is left here, well, it serves two purposes. One, it's a handle, and secondly, it is a continuation ticket. So if you're like asking for help, for example, oh, please help me with my exam, da, 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 okay, put it there. Now, this thing here is like leaving a ticket at the altar so that your God can track your soul energy through this thing and then deliver the help to you. Okay, so because you're holding it, right? Your soul energy goes on it. Here is where the God can track you down. So, what happened if I pull the instant stick out all the time? Then it's like, okay, you ask for help, boo, it's gone, boo, it's gone. And you keep resetting. Like the system, you keep resetting. And that is not good because your God will need to track you down to deliver the help. And you're like, okay, project cancel, project cancel, right? Then eventually all the help is going to be gone. If there is like, for example, if we're doing a ceremony and the ceremony is to ask the God to help someone to exorcise the evil and to give them protection, right? Okay, I'm done with the ceremony. All these things that are sticked in the pot allows the God to track down the person and deliver the help. Now, if I like right after the ceremony pull the sticks out, then what happened is the God is like, oh, project cancel, right? You reboot already. So all the tracking is gone and the help cannot be delivered to the other side. If you have been like let's say doing a magic on someone and it's supposed to be for like let's say 7 days, okay, now you pull the sticks out on the second day, the whole project is gone, right? The whole project is it's reset. It's like you're downloading something and then suddenly you reboot the computer, everything is gone. So don't clean up your pot all the time. For us with a proper altar that is set up permanently, usually it's cleaned up about once a month at the end of the month if there's no ongoing project. But if there's ongoing project, then we will have to kind of wait until the project is done and then we reset the pot. Okay. Now there are ways to deal with like, oh, I don't have enough space. Okay, like you keep stabbing on the pot and eventually it gets full, right? So one way is to open a second pot and which we have outside for stabbing the normal daily incense. And another way is to buy a bigger incense pot. And that's why you now see we have like an 8-inch pot. Usually, the more people that burn incense at the place, you have to like get a bigger pot or maybe a second pot, third pot, like that. But the fact is, if someone is like asking you to do exorcism for them, right? You will never want to pull that stick out before the case is over because the God is always still working on that person. There you go. See you in the next one.